In the previous lesson, we learned that we can use the spread operator to extract array elements and object properties and store them in new arrays or objects. But the spread operator extracts all the values from an array or object. If we want to extract one or more values, but not all, we can use destructuring. Let's say we have an array with 3 numbers. We want to extract only the first and second numbers and store them in their own variables. So, as the left operand, we declare variables with array syntax and assign the numbers array to it. Basically, destructuring is a shorter syntax for manually copying single values. But what if we want the first and third values in the array? Then, we simply skip the second value with a comma. We can also use the spread operator to quickly extract a remainder of array elements. Let's say we have an array of Avengers. We know that Captain America is the leader of the team. So, we can define a variable that holds the first array element and spread the rest. Destructuring objects works the same, but with object syntax. In our example, the variable name and the property name is the same. If we want our variable name to be different, we have to explicitly specify it after the property name with the colon operator. We can also assign default values in case the property doesn't exist on the object. This allows us to be sure that the destructured values will never be undefined. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to write asynchronous code with promises. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.